Alright, it is arts and crafts time with 47 hobbies. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, it is, but it isn't. So, I've made this piece of wood. Well, it's more like some wall art with these shelves. I didn't film me actually putting all this together because it's pretty simple. It just has two braces in the back, and then I have some stain that I've kind of gave it like this vignette look. Then I have these shelves, and what's going to sit on these shelves are these plants that I got. These are on sale for $1 a piece. But what I'm going to do with that is I'm also going to be painting. Well, first let me show this. I have this, basically this branch here, and I got this is a live branch. So what I'm going to do is, take all the leaves off, and then I'm going to actually attach it to this, and then route the pieces of the branches in a way that makes it look like it's kind of intertwined, and then I'm going to use some of this rope to kind of tie it up, and then I'm going to actually paint the leaves coming off, and I'm going to give them, I'm going to paint them green, but it'll look good once I'm actually finished, and then once I actually have it on the wall. So yeah, that's this part for now. Once I actually get some things intertwined here, I'll show you guys in a little bit. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. I cut all the leaves off of this stick, and I mounted it with this rope, and I just drilled holes and ran it through the back side and just tied them off and put a little dab of hot glue on there to keep the knot from coming undone. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting the leaves. I may put a bird on here somewhere. I'm not totally sure yet, but yeah, I'm going to start painting the leaves off of them, and I'll go from there. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's really kind of hard to film while I'm doing DIY stuff. Not that it's hard, it's just I get going and then I forget that I'm actually filming and showing you guys what I'm doing. But yeah, I just sort of painted the wood here a little bit, kind of sort of like birch. I know these aren't actually birch leaves, but I still think it gave it a really cool look. And that's the thing about DIYs, as long as it's yours. And then I added these plants here. This is just an ivy called Ralph Sugar. And then this back here is called a Supra or something like that. Yeah, Supra. This requires really low light to grow. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this whole project, this cost less than, honestly, it was like all the plants were on sale for $1. Those pots were $1. So I'd say like $4. Oh, and then I bought this wood, which was like maybe $3. So it was less than $10, because a lot of this was just scrap wood that I already had, and then the rope I had, and then the stick. That stick was, just something I found outside. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Later.